This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So usually, all the time, frankly, we are using the free Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN to achieve the aforementioned goal. So let me quickly show how you can download and install it. So that's not a difficult procedure whatsoever. You just find the app page at the Play Store, then tap at the green install button, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed, then launch it. Tap at the agree and continue button. Then we will wait for a little bit for this application to load itself. Finally, or at last, we can skip the set and connect ourselves to VPN by tapping at the caret icon over here. This app not only allows you to connect to VPN, but also reconnect to a set of various servers in different countries. So, for example, as you can see right now, I'm connected to Netherlands. So, per se, for example, I'll reconnect myself to London, UK. So, as you can see, everything went well. And at last, or finally, if you are ready to disconnect yourself from VPN, just tap at this cross icon over here, choose disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.